Dailycast news channel had yesterday celebrated its second Foundation Day at Rangsana Sarpo Cultural Hall, Nurulangso, Dipu. The program was attended by MSc of Lumbajang constituency, Johnny Timong as chief guest in the presence of Chokihala Higher Secondary School Principal Dr. Ronjit Ronghang, OSD of Dipu B.Ed College, Dr. Lipson Rongpi, and Assistant Professor of Lamding College, Dr. Bandita Teronpi. Senior journalist Kangbura Singnar, General Secretary of District Press Club of Karbi Anglong, Danielson Bay, KSA President Thang Sing Timong, KSU President Rustom Rongpar, KSYC General Secretary Jivan Bay, KFA General Secretary Saran Singh Rongpi, and several other eminent persons were also present. During his speech, MSc Johnny Timong said that he will inspect all the schools under Lumbajang constituency and will hold a meeting with the school managing committee to bring quality education. Dr. Ronjit Ronghang spoke about media ethics, laws and role of media in uplifting the society. Dr. Lipson Rongpi spoke about the role of media in preparing the people to cope with disasters, while Dr. Bandita Teronpi spoke on the role of media in promoting education and projection of women in present-day context. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.